Let's begin by first opening this pattern as a DXF file and going to File, Add, and finding it in your Downloads folder. In your Add DXF menu, you can use the Auto Scale function and the default options to import your pattern into your workspace. From there, you can select the pieces in your 3D window and move them above your avatar. Then you can select Control or Command right-click to freeze all of your pattern pieces at once. We can then unfreeze the individual pieces we will be arranging on the avatar for the main construction. This includes the front, back, and sleeve pattern pieces. In the Avatar Display menu, select your Arrangement Points feature and begin arranging your pattern pieces. Once you've arranged your pattern pieces, you can return to the avatar display and remove your arrangement points as well as the avatar. From here, we can grab the Segment Stitch tool to attach the side seams and the Free Stitch tool to attach the sleeves to the body. You can also use the Segment Stitch for this part as well, but I tend to find it much more challenging than the free stitching, especially in the 3D window, but use whichever tool and whichever window you prefer. Now, let's attach the hood. Start by first bringing back your avatar along with the arrangement points. Select the pattern pieces in the 3D window and unfreeze them. Use the arrangement points at the side of the head to position each piece of the hood. You can turn off the arrangement points once more before stitching. You can use segment or free stitch to attach the two sides of the hood. However, to attach the hood to the body of the garment, you will have to use Free Stitch tool and start at the base of the hood. I prefer to use the 2D window when stitching hoods, so let's move things over that way. Let's work our way from center back seam around to the front. you can move to the center back point of the hood and stitch to the blue dot. Because this is a raglan sleeve, remember to also create a stitch line in the top edge from the back point to the front. Start where you stopped on the hood piece. From there, you can attach the front right neckline to the front hood base following the same technique. Now let's try the other side. Start with the center back bodice, then move on to the sleeve, then the front. And voila, we're ready to simulate. Let's do a quick check to see how things came together. First, it appears that our girl has the wrong hairstyle for this exercise, so that's an easy fix. Second, we forgot to stitch our sleeves together. Also an easy fix. Let's use the segment stitch tool to fix that first in the 2D window. To change her hair, let's return to the avatar folder and select the hair folder. For hoods, I usually recommend the bob or bowl cut to prevent any additional collision. Let's go with the bowl cut for this one, and as you can see, that pretty much solved the issue. While we're here, let's go ahead and find the right fabric for our garment by selecting the fabric folder. For me, the knit fleece terry is perfect for the hoodie, so we're just going to grab that and drag it on over to our object browser. We'll quickly add them to our main pattern pieces with a simple drag and drop in the 2D window. Now, let's zoom in a little here and really see the quality of the texture of this beautiful fabric. The perfect base for us to build the rest of this hoodie in the next videos.